Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is July the 26th, and I just wanted to give you a little update on these little pepper plants, and you can see how big these are getting, and they're super healthy. And I've done nothing but just water them, nothing else, so I'm really impressed. And I was kind of concerned that we weren't going to get any peppers. But a couple of days ago, I noticed that there are some little flowers starting to happen, and there's one right there. There's a few more coming as well. I'll just zoom in to show you. See here at the top of the plant, there you can see the little flower right there. So now I have evidence that these are going to yield some peppers. And as I'm looking down here, look at this. There's another one right there. Can you see it? And that one's really progressing really nicely. So anyway, yeah, I have some newfound hope for these plants because they're very large, and there wasn't really anything growing on them. So at least now it looks like we're going to have a little bit of a yield. Anyway, I'll keep you up to date on these. So that's it, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you made it this far, thanks very much for watching. On the screen, you have 4 choices. You can watch either one of the 2 videos on the left-hand side, or you can subscribe to my channel by clicking at the top, or if you're into baking, then you can check out my recipe channel, Bake Like a Pro, by clicking down at the bottom.